Students, let's do the reading of lesson number 8, Animals Around Us. While reading, we'll underline the difficult words. Let's start. There are several types of animals around us. Some animals live on the land. They have legs to move around. Fishes live in water. They have fins to swim. Now underline the word several, types, around, land, fishes, fin and swim. Frogs live on both land and water. They have webbed feet. They help them to swim. Birds fly in the air. They have light bodies and wings to fly. Now underline the difficult words. Live, both, web, light, bodies, wings. Some animals live in forest. They are wild animals. Lion, deer, zebra, tiger, rhinoceros, elephant. Some animals can be tamed. We keep them in our houses or in farms. They are domestic animals. They are very useful to us. Some domestic animals give us milk. Milk is used to make cheese, butter, ghee, curd, and ice cream. Examples of domestic animals: cow, goat, buffalo. Now we'll underline the difficult words. First is tamed, farms, domestic, milk, cheese, butter, ghee, curd, ice cream.